Home and school. Family. Persons close to us live in our house. Our parents love us. There are other persons too, like brothers, sisters, grandparents. All these people make our family. We live with them, eat, sleep, study, do many activities with them. We feel safe in our own house. It is the parents who look after children. They give us food and clothes, books and notebooks, games, toys, and many other things. They take care of us when we are unwell. Other members of the family also take care of us. Our family and home have a very important place in our life. We should keep our house clean and tidy. We should treat our family members with love. We should help them, look after them if they are unwell. Domestic animals. Some people keep animals like dogs or cats. Farmers keep animals like cows, buffaloes, bullocks, goats. Animals that people keep are called domestic animals. Dogs guard the house. Cows and buffaloes give us milk. Bullocks do farm work. People look upon these domestic animals as their own family members. We have pet names for them. We fondle our pet cats or dogs and play with them. Animals cannot speak like us, but they understand our feelings. Our neighbors. Some families live in houses near our house. They are our neighbors. Children in those families become our friends. We talk to them, play with them. At times we quarrel, but the quarrels do not last long. We become friends again. Neighbors help us in our need. We too help them. They are not members of our family, but they are close to us. That is why we call them uncle, aunt, etc. Our friends' grandparents are as loving as our own. We should respect them. We should help them in their need. We should also help the sick and the handicapped persons. It is our duty to behave kindly with people. If we live in harmony with our neighbors, we all feel happy. Relatives. Our relatives are close to us. It is great fun when uncles, aunts, cousins come together. Sometimes we go to their place for dinner. We also go to stay with them during holidays. They too come to our place. We celebrate festivals and special occasions together. Different festivals are celebrated in different religions. We respect all religions alike. Festivals of different religions are celebrated throughout the country with the spirit of harmony. We all celebrate our national festivals, Independence Day and Republic Day. We proudly unfurl our national flag. Festivals bring people together and lead to harmony. Our family, neighbors, relatives and other people make the society. There are many institutions in a society. One institution we know well is the school. School. We go to school. There we learn and play. We make friends. Just as there are elders in the house, there are teachers in the school. Surely you like your school. That is why you say with pride, "This is my school." In the school, we learn to read and write. We get to know a lot from books. Schools have amenities like a library, a playground, a first aid kit, and drinking water. In the school, we study subjects like languages, mathematics, science, history, geography, art, etc. Our knowledge increases. Our mistaken ideas are removed. We become more inquisitive. We come to know more about our country and the world. There are a number of girls and boys in a school. We learn, play, and exercise together. We observe discipline. We wear our school uniform. We are friendly with everyone. In the course of study, we also learn arts and develop hobbies. We take part in various competitions. When we study well, our teachers praise us. How we enjoy our school picnics and gatherings. Every year we celebrate Independence Day and Republic Day in our school and have a flag hoisting ceremony. Education gives us knowledge and pleasure too. Education leads to progress. With the spread of education, the country progresses. Education makes people good citizens.